Here's an example of an end screen I did on a recent YouTube video. And then after I play it, I'm going to show you how I made it. So click on it to play. Master what you have. And as you start generating income, then invest into that fancier gear. Start where you're at, grow as you go. And check out this video next for more content creation tips like this. See ya. So you can see there's an animation, it slid out. And then this is a link. So I can click on this. This is a playlist on my YouTube channel. So I don't add that in the editing software. That's added in YouTube. But let's go over to the editing software first. So here is what it looks like on my timeline. So right a second before I want that animation to happen, I have the music kick in and it looks like this. Grow as you go. And check out this video next for more content. And then my logo right there is its own layer. So I added that. And then I have an animation on this. If I click animation, I can see my animation, which is right here. So I have it slide from full view over to the right. So then it creates that blank space where that video is going to go. And you can get creative with this. You could have it slide into the video with you. You could have it cut to a blank scene where it's just a colored background. That's what I do with a lot of outros on my channel. And then it's got my logo. And then I have like the subscribe button and the recommended play button. But the way that you do that on the YouTube side of things is for that particular video, go to edit video and then scroll down and the end screen right here. So again, that was the end screen button. This is where you can set that stuff. So I have this playlist and that's what plays right there. And then down here, you can see it's its own layer. So I can change where that playlist starts. I can drag it left and right to line it up with my music and with that particular outro that I created. You create it in the editing software first, and then once it's in YouTube, then you set it up using the end screen feature. And I have free outros available on my website, descriptmastery.com/templates, and you can get outro templates for free.